I'm Anirban Sengupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is the special omelette, American style omelette. This recipe name is American Style Omelet. So this is the very simple way recipe, and ingredients are needed: 2 number eggs, black pepper powder, salt to taste, parsley leaves, and grated mozzarella cheese. This is the simple ingredients of American style omelette. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take a bowl at first and now add egg. First I break this egg. This is the number 1 and this is the number 2. And now add a spinch black pepper powder, and you also use white pepper powder, and then after use a pinch salt to taste, and then after added parsley leaves, and now beaten well properly. See friends, this egg beaten has turned properly, and now see the next step. See friends, I add 1 tablespoon refined oil and spread oil properly, and this refined oil now become a hot, and now add the beaten egg. And spread well properly. See friends, this is the middle portion. I spread well properly. This is the American style omelette, and I spread well properly. And now I add mozzarella cheese, and then after add black pepper powder, and now again add parsley leaves, and now this egg fold it properly. See friends, the fold has done properly, and now this American style omelette is now ready and transferred into the plate. See friends, I transfer this omelette into the plate, and now again add some mozzarella cheese, and then again add black pepper powder, and now add parsley leaves, this is the beautiful garnish American style omelette. So please try at your home. Please try at your home this type of omelette and very delicious. So if you like this my video, then please keep subscribe, like, share and comment.